Good evening everyone. Please check audio video is okay or not. Please verify audio video is okay or not. Right. Let's start this. So today's topic is foundation class. Foundation class of compiler design. This is one. Foundation class of compiler design 1. This is the today's class, because see this one. So from 20 April compiler design starting. 20 April compiler design starting. For that, these are the basics which are needed. 20 April compiler designing is starting. For that, these are the basics which are needed. 20 April compiler designing is starting. For that, these are the basics which are needed. So please take care. Right? So I am starting the basics. And one more thing is see this one. Tomorrow onwards, programming is starting. Tomorrow onwards programming start. Right? So please take care. So I'm repeating once again. Right? 20 April onwards compiler design starting. So for that, these are the foundation classes needed. So tomorrow onwards programming is starting. So if anyone is not joined till now, please join. Right? If anyone is not joined till now, please join. So before going to the foundations, let me say something about Unacademy. Before going to the foundation class, let me say something about Unacademy. Right? So Unacademy is conducting Unacademy Ultra Combat. Unacademy conducting Unacademy Ultra Combat. This is right. If you want to join Unacademy, if you want to get the maximum discount, you can attend in the Unacademy Ultra Combat. It's the scholarship test. You can write, get as maximum discount as possible. It will happen April 24, 11 a.m. April 24, 11 a.m. it is going to be happen. Unacademy Ultra Combat. Right? So use the combat now. Use invite code combat now. Next one. These are our 2022 toppers. Right? First ranker from CSC. Fourth ranker from CSC. First rank from CSC, fourth rank from CSC, third rank from CSC, eighth rank from CSC. Right? Below 10, right, we have 4 ranks. So below 100 we have 50 ranks. Trust me, next year we will get more than this. First rank, fourth rank, third rank, eighth rank, top 10. Right? So top 150 ranks we got. Trust me, next year we will get more than this. And one more thing is see this one. One more thing is April 20 until April 20 this offer is there. 12 months subscription if you take 2 more months extra validity. 24 months subscription if you take 3 more months extra validity, right? So April 20 onwards, that's this one, until April 20 this offer is there. 12 months if you take 2 months extra validity, 24 months if you take 3 months extra validity, right? Please utilize this offer, please utilize this offer. Next one, and one more great news to all of you, right? If you are planning to write the 2023 GATE exam, if you are planning to write 2023 GATE examination, right? If you are planning, April 20 onwards compiler design is starting. April 20 onward compiler design starting, right? Compiler designing is starting. So please take care. I am repeating once again. Those people who want to write 2023 GATE exam, right? So very good news to you. April 20 onwards one batch is starting, Evalu batch. Compiler design is starting, right? Listen everyone now, programming is going to start tomorrow onwards. Right? 20 April onwards compiler design also going to start. My suggestion is join today. If you delay now, you are going to be losing side. Join today. Yeah, right? Ascend batch also you can join. April 20 onwards compiler designing is starting, you can join Ascend batch also, right? And one more thing is, if you want to practice questions, Unacademy light subscription you can take. Trust me, see this one, here many practice questions are there. Comparing with any test series, this is the best one. Comparing any test series, this is the best one. Many practice questions are there. So you can join. Those people who want, right, test series, they can join in this. And one more, those people who are preparing for campus placements also you can join. New batches for campus placement drive is going on. You can join for new batches also, right? Campus placements, if anyone preparing, you can join for campus placements. Next one, if you join for a campus placement for 3 months, 1 more month extra validity you will get. This is there until April 20. Please utilize this. Right, I am starting now. Compiler design foundation classes. Right? The first foundation which is required in compiler is going to be, right, grammar. The first foundation which is required for compiler designing is going to be grammar. This is the first one which is required. So foundation class means why I will cover all. It is the only foundation class. 20 April onwards compiler design, actual thing going to start. These are the basics. In 2022 GATE exam, from compiler design 10 marks came approx. 2022 GATE exam, from compiler design 10 marks came approx. All directly from notes. 2022 GATE examination, from compiler approximately 10 marks came. All came directly from notes. If you read the notes, more than enough. Right, compiler design foundation class 1. So I am starting. See this one. The first basic point for compiler design required is grammar. Grammar G is nothing but VTPS, variable terminal production start symbol. Grammar G is nothing but VTPS, variable terminal production start symbol. Grammar G is nothing but variable terminal production start symbol. This is the grammar definition. So V means variable, T means terminal, V means variables, T means terminal, P means productions, S means start symbol. S means start symbol. This is the grammar definition. Grammar G is nothing but a combination of four things. VTPS, variable terminal production start symbol. Variable terminal production start symbol. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. If you are comfortable till here, please let me know. Please let me know. These are the basics. These are the basics of the compiler design. Right? Without these basics, compiler design is going to be difficult. Without these basics, compiler designing is going to be difficult. Grammar G is the combination of VTPS. V means variable, T means terminals, P means productions, S means start symbol. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Right, fine, that's okay. So this is the grammar definition, right? Let me give some example. One example. S goes to AB. One example. S goes to AB. A goes to A. B goes to B. S goes to AB. A goes to A. B goes to B. Remember, this is not a grammar. These are productions. Remember, this is not a grammar. These are productions. Please be careful. Right? When you say grammar, variables also, terminals also, productions also, start symbol also, these are only production. Right? He will say what are the variables also. Right? He will say variables are S, A, B. He will say whatever he will say, we have to accept. Variables are capital S, capital A, capital B. He will say whatever he want. Next one. Terminals T going to be other than variables whatever there, small a, small b. These are terminals. And start symbol S goes to whatever he want, he will say. Start symbol may be S, start symbol may be A, may be B, whatever he will say. Start symbol is S. If at all it is a S1, it is a S1. Start symbol S1. But remember, one of the variable S1 is start symbol. Please careful. One of the variable S1 is start symbol. Start symbol should be one of the variable. Remember, only one start symbol there. Multiple start symbols not allowed. Starting purpose. If multiple starting, what is the meaning of starting? Only one start symbol. The person who is given the grammar, he have full right of which one is the start symbol. Right? The person who will give the grammar, he have full right of whatever he want, he will make start symbol. Remember, S is a start symbol, not set of start symbol. But T is a terminals. Terminals means it is a set of terminals. If you want, you can write. Let me write. So T is a set of terminals. V is a set of variables. Right? P is a set of productions. But remember, S is a start symbol. It is not a set. It is a start symbol. So this is the first example. Anyone having any doubt here? Let me know. Someone is saying, will you complete total syllabus on YouTube? Or this is only demo class on YouTube? Only foundation classes on YouTube. If you want the actual course, you can join the plus course. If you have some financial problem, you can write Unacademy Combat. You can get 100% discount also. Right? You can join the plus course. You can happily study. If you have some financial problem, Unacademy Combat you can write. You can get the maximum discount. Right, fine, perfect. It is the first example. Let's go for a second example. Let's go for second example. S goes to, let's go to second example. S goes to ABC. S goes to ABC, A goes to S goes to ABC, A goes to BCD, B goes to right, B goes to, see this one, S goes to ABC, A goes to BCD, B goes to EF, E goes to E, F goes to G, something like this. Remember, these are only productions. These are only productions. Grammar means productions also, variables also, terminals also, start symbol also. Grammar means all should come. Grammar means 4 things should be given. This is only production. These are only productions. Grammar means production, variable, terminal, start symbol. But these are only productions. So remember, grammar means 4 things given. Suppose assume that only productions given. Actually how to give 4, but only productions given. Then what you do is, remember, if only productions are given, remember everyone. If only productions are given, remember everyone. Capital letters are variables. If at all is given only production, actually grammar means 4 things should be given, but is given only production, then what you do is, capital letters you can take it as variables. And one more, small letters you can take it as terminal. Right, small letter you can take it as terminal. Capital letters are variable, small letters are terminals. Please be careful. If ye don't give, you can consider like that. Next one, start symbol S is equal to whoever is the first person is the start symbol. Suppose if you make it as S1, you can make it is S1. Then it is S1. Remember, if you don't give, if you give only production, grammar means 4 things required. If you give only production, then what you do is, capital letters are variables, small letters are terminals. First person is start symbol. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. Any doubt there, let me know. Any doubt? Right, let's go to next example. S goes to, listen, S goes to A, B, C, D. S goes to A, B, C, D. A, B goes to C, CD, C goes to E, D goes to F, S goes to A, B, C, D, AB goes to CD, C goes to E, D goes to F, D goes to F. Please be careful. Listen everyone now. These are only productions. These are only production. Now see this one. Variables. If he give well and good, when he is giving, he can say whatever he want. When he is giving variable, he will say whatever he want. Suppose assume that he said variables are S is a one variable, right? If you want, you can keep S1. If you want, you can keep S1, or if you want, you can keep S only. I don't have any problem, right? You can keep S only, no problem, right? So S is a one variable. And one more thing is, listen, S is a one variable. Whenever he is giving, he can give whatever he wants. Let us assume that he is given. When he is giving, whatever way he want, he can give. See this one. V is a variable, right? He will give whatever. S is a one variable. AB is a one variable. He can say whatever you want. AB is not 2, AB is 1, right? Here also you can say AB is 1. Careful. When he is giving, he can give whatever he want. S is a one variable, AB is a one variable, C is a one variable, D is a one variable. He can give whatever he want. And next one, terminals. Terminals also he can give whatever he want. When he is giving, he is having full right to give whatever way he like. When he is giving, he can give whatever way he like. And one more, start symbol. When he is giving, he can give anything. Start symbol is D. He can say this also. When he is giving, he will give whatever way he want. We don't have any right. These are the production. This is the variable. This is the terminal. This is the start symbol. Because of he said start symbol D, we will start from D. Listen, when he don't give, capital letters are variable, small letters are terminal, first person is variable. When he don't give, see the previous problem. When he don't give, capital letters are variables, small letters are terminal, first person is start symbol. When he is given, he can give whatever he want. Start symbol D, see, he can give whatever he want. Terminals are EF. Variables are S, A, B, C, D, like that. Remember the person who is giving grammar. Variable means 4 things should be given. 4 are given, well and good. 4 not given, only productions given. Remember, capital letters are variable, small letters are terminal, first person is start symbol. When you don't give, then only take. Right? When you don't take, then only, right? Whenever you don't give, then only take. Please careful. Right? Please careful. Last time I want to ask you. S goes to ABDH. S goes to ABDH. B goes to CC. Right? CC. C goes to CC, R epsilon. Next one. D goes to EF. E goes to E R epsilon. F goes to F R epsilon. These are the productions. This is the next example. Please careful. It is the next example. These are the productions. This is the next example. These are the production. Suppose assume that this is only productions given. Grammar means actually 4 things required. Is only given production. If at all he is given only production, then capital letters are variable. S, A is there? No. S, next B, next D, next C, next E, next F. When he don't give, remember capital letters are variable. S, B, D, C, E, F. Right. Next one. Right. Small letters are terminal. I think small a small c, small e, small f. Right? When you don't give, please remember, variables are capital letters, terminals are small letter. Remember one interesting line. Remember everyone one interesting line. What is that one? Right? So remember, epsilon neither variable nor terminal. Epsilon is neither variable nor terminal. Epsilon you cannot write here. It is neither variable nor terminal. It is a special symbol. It is neither variable nor terminal. It is a special symbol. And one more, start symbol yes, because of you didn't given by default first person. If it is yes, you can write yes. If you don't give by default first person, assume S1. Right? That is S1. When you don't give, starting person is start symbol. Capital letters are variable, small letters are terminal. In this problem, I want to say to you, epsilon neither variable nor terminal. Please careful. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Please let me know. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Check anyone, if anyone having any small doubt. Small doubt also there, let me check. Right. So this is, I think, the third example. This is the third example. Let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. S goes to AB. Remember everyone. S goes to AB. A goes to AB. S goes to AB. A goes to A. B goes to B. S goes to AB, A goes to A, B goes to B. This is the production. These are productions. And who are the variable? If you don't give, by default capital letters are variable. Right? If you don't give anything, by default small letters terminals. Right? By default small letters are terminals. Next one. What is the start symbol? Start symbol S is equal to first person. First person S only. That's okay. So variable, terminal, start symbol, everything fine. So you will give only production. You have to write yourself these. Let us assume that you return. Right? Fine. Now listen everyone. So always you remember, right, start symbol yes means you have to start from yes. Start symbol yes means you have to start from yes. Now see what I am doing. I started from yes. Can you help me now? Yes replaced by AB. I started from yes. Yes replaced by AB. Yes means AB, right? So left can be replaced by right. That is the meaning. Left, listen, this arrow symbol, left replaced by right. What is the meaning? S replaced by AB. Next one. S replaced by AB, okay. Can you help me? How many variables are there? 2 variables are there. S replaced by AB, okay. 2 variables are there. Now, A replaced by small a, followed by capital B. Next one, capital B replaced by, what is the answer? Capital B replaced by B. So, AB. Remember, S replaced by AB. In the AB, A replaced by A, B replaced by B. Finally, listen, finally, you got all terminals. Remember, right? So, you are replacing one variable by another by another. Finally, you got string, right? This is called, remember, this total story. Replacing one by one means expanding S by S contents, A by A contents, B by B content. This total story is called derivation. At the end of the derivation, you are expecting string. At the end of the derivation, you will get string, which is the combination of terminals. Right? So S goes to AB, A replaced by, right, A, B, so B replaced by B. Right? This is called derivation. Right? So remember this one. Derivation finally contain collection of terminal, which is also called string. Derivation finally contain collection of terminal, which is also called string. Careful. And one more thing, I think derivation is okay. So from this grammar, I generated one string. Remember, grammar is nothing but, right? It will generate the string. Grammar is a generating device. It will generate strings. Grammar is a generating device. Grammar is a generating device. It will generate string. Grammar purpose is generating strings. Right? So remember, if you want to derive anything from grammar, start from start symbol. Finally get the string, which is the collection of terminals. The total process is known as derivation. The total process from starting to ending is known as derivation, which is also called parsing. Start from start symbol, keep on expand. Finally, you should get a collection of terminal, which is called string. This total process is known as parsing or derivation. And one more, grammar purpose is generating strings. So grammar is also known as generating device. Right? Please careful. It is also known as generating device. Right? Perfect. Until now you are okay. Until now it's okay. Now can you help me? One small line. S goes to AB. A goes to A. B goes to B. This is the grammar. Actually, these are production. Variables are going to be SAB. Terminals are going to be small a, small b. Start symbol S is going to be S only. Okay, fine. So P is given. Remaining things we framed ourselves. We framed ourselves. P given. Remaining things we framed ourselves. S goes to AB. A goes to A. B goes to B. Right? Everything fine. Now listen everyone. Listen everyone now. Right? S is replaced by AB. S is expanded by AB. That's okay. I think can help you now. If you observe clearly in the second level, two variables are there, two variable, right? S is replaced by AB, two variable. In these two variable, which variable you replace first? Suppose isn't that left variable I will replace first. What is the meaning? It became AB. Afterwards I will replace right variable, then it became AB. So whenever this derivation is going on, at any point of time two variables are there, I am always giving importance to left variable first. After left over, then right. Right? This is called derivation, okay. But every time you are giving chance to left one first, it is called leftmost derivation. Leftmost derivation, it is called LMD. S replaced by AB, two variable. Out of those two variable, which variable I will substitute first? I substitute left variable first. Left over, then right. So this total story is called derivation. Because of left one you replace always leftmost derivation. Now see this also. S replaced by AB, two variables are there. I will replace right variable first. Afterwards left variable AB. So this is also derivation, but always I replaced the right variable first. This is called rightmost derivation. Whenever derivation is going on, always you replace the leftmost variable first. This is called leftmost derivation. Whenever derivation is going on, always replace rightmost variable first. That is called rightmost derivation. That is called rightmost derivation. And one more thing you remember, leftmost derivation is available, rightmost derivation also available. Leftmost derivation is available, rightmost derivation also available. Please take care. Please take care. Please take care. If you say leftmost derivation available, rightmost derivation also available. Please take care. At the end, purpose of the derivation is deriving the string, which is the collection of terminals. If you see the derivation last step, you will find out the string. Derivation last step is string only, which is the collection of terminals. Which is the collection of terminal. Remember, epsilon is neither variable nor terminal. Epsilon is neither variable nor terminal. Remember this. Remember this. Next one. S goes to AB. S goes to AB. S goes to AB or CD. S goes to AB or CD. What is the meaning? S having two choices. S is AB or S is CD. Two choices. Next one. A goes to A. B goes to B. C goes to A. D goes to B. S goes to AB or CD. Right? A goes to A. B goes to B. C goes to A, D goes to B, right? This is the grammar. Assume that capital letters are variable, small letters are terminal, right? First person is start symbol. Assume that. Now listen. Assume that capital letters are variable, small letters are terminal. First person is start symbol. Now everyone listen. Everyone listen this. So S first. S replaced by AB. S containing S replaced by two people. S replaced by two people means S containing two people means I think something like a tree. Two children see. S replaced by AB. Next one. A replaced by A. Can you help me now? S replaced by AB. A replaced by right A. And B replaced by B. Right? Can anyone help me? S replaced by AB, A replaced by A, B replaced by B. Which one you replaced first? Left one. Next right one. Remember, left I replaced first, afterwards right. This is called leftmost derivation, but in the form of a tree. This is called leftmost derivation tree. In the leftmost derivation tree, you only say, right? First I replaced here first. Afterwards left one I done. It is 2. Afterwards right one I done. It is 3. This is the order I done. S goes to AB first I done. Afterward two variable AB. First left one I done. Next right one I done. In the form of a tree I done. It is the leftmost derivation tree. Now see this. S goes to AB. Careful everyone. S goes to AB. This is the first. Next one. AB. First I will replace the right one. B by B, this is the 2. Afterwards A by A, this is the 3. Remember, leftmost, this is called as right, I always done first. This is called rightmost derivation tree. Remember everyone, leftmost derivation tree possible, rightmost also possible. The only thing is numbers will differ. Here 1, 2, 3, but here 1, 2, 3, careful. Leftmost derivation tree possible means rightmost derivation tree also possible. Either both possible or both not possible. You cannot say left possible, right not possible. No. Leftmost derivation tree possible means rightmost derivation tree also possible. Leftmost possible means rightmost also possible. Either both possible, both are not possible. Some people are asking, can we replace both the variables simultaneously? What is the meaning of simultaneously? What is the meaning? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of simultaneously? What is the meaning? Right? Even though you try simultaneously, at least fraction of second difference. At least fraction of seconds difference. At least fraction of seconds difference. Right? Please take care. Right? Please take care. At least fraction of seconds difference. Whenever two variables are fighting, which one you substitute first? Leftmost one, if I substitute always first to leftmost derivation. Rightmost one, if I substitute always first to rightmost derivation. Remember, left possible means right possible. Right possible means left possible. Leftmost derivation in the form of a tree, leftmost derivation tree. Rightmost derivation in the form of a tree, rightmost derivation tree. Right? Right. Please careful. Please careful. If anyone having doubt, let me know. If anyone having doubt, let me know. Sir, I have this problem. Please ask me. I will help you. Check anyone having any doubt. Right. So these are the problems. These are the problem. Today I done many problem. Please check one time. Today I done many problem. Please verify. Please verify. What is the grammar definition? Grammar examples. I think I given many example. Example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, example 5, example 6, example 7. 7 examples I done. 7 examples I done. If you can get all these example, really good. If you can get all these example, really good. These are foundation classes. Actual class will start from. These are foundation classes. Actual class will start from 20 April. Actual class will start from 20 April. 20 April. Actual class will start from 20 April. Please careful. Please careful. 20 April actual class will start from. Right? So tomorrow onwards programming will start. 20 April onwards, right, compiler design will start. And one more thing, right, one more thing. one more thing, use referral code ReddySir and join this batch as soon as possible, otherwise it will become too late, right? Please take care, otherwise it will become too late. Please take care, right? Thanks everyone, thanks, good night.